Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to search for and add new contacts to our contact list in the Microsoft Office Groove 2007. Open Groove 2007 and log in with the Groove account. Come to Contacts, click on Add Contact. In the Field User dialog box, enter name or text you want to add. We can search using full name, first name, last name, business email and personal email. Then the search will return all contacts in which a match is found in any of the valid fields, and also check in include public group directory if you want group to include this directory in the search, but this is optional. After this, click on find. If group finds a contact match, select it from the list. The icons display next to contacts shows the status of the contact, online or offline. If you want to see more information about a selected contact match, click on properties, and here it is showing the name of the contact and mail ID, and we can also send message to this contact, and we can also invite him to workspace, and click on arrow next to more, and we can create alias name, and we can also verify identity. And if you want to send via email our contact term, this contact, we can send it, and after that click on OK. Click on add to add the contact to the list. Then it will show the contacts based on the status, active, online and offline. Now I want to open another account. Now let's click on add contact. Here just I am typing capital M, and please select include public group directory. Click on find, and it is showing the contact with its status, and we got the business email and personal email. Click on add. Now the contact is added into online status. We can also add a workspace member to our contact list. Come to workspaces. Here I'm opening a workspace. Here I have a contact Shiva who became the members of a workspace. If you want to add them to our personal list, right click on the member you want to add and select add to my contacts. We can also add a member to our contact list simply by dragging the contact into our contacts window. Like this, we can add the workspace members into our contact list. Click on add contact. Here we can also rearrange the order of the columns in the find user dialog box by dragging them. I want to place this column after personal email. Simply drag this. And we can also remove any column by right clicking on the header and uncheck the name of the column to be removed. Here I'm unchecking personal email. Similarly, I want to remove state and province. Again, we can restore it by right clicking on the column header and check the name of the column to be restored. Any changes we make in the find user dialog box apply only to the current search session. All default settings are restored the next time we open the find user dialog box and come to contact. Right click on a contact. We will get various options. We can send messages to this contact by selecting send message option, and here it is showing from Raju to M. Nageshwar. Again, right click on the contact. Here we can see the properties of a contact. Again, right click, and we can set alerts. Default option shows the users awareness only, and it do not notify us. I want to change this, and it will alert me anytime this user comes online. Click on apply, OK, and we got a bell symbol on the contact. So when the user come into online, it will notify us with a notification. Again, right click, and we can send via email my contact or selected contacts, and we can save contact as a file, and we can also create alias contact and verify identity, and we can directly invite him to workspace. Select the workspace, click on OK. We can also move this contact to folder. I'm selecting contacts, OK, and the view is changed. Again, if you want to get the default view, come to options, navigate to view contacts by and select status. And if you want to delete a contact, right click on the contact and please select the option delete. It will ask for the confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete Jerry? Click on yes to delete the contact, and the contact has removed from the contact list. Like this, we can search for and add new contacts to our contact list in the Microsoft Office Grow 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video to your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.